about water hammer. What is a water hammer? Water hammer is a pressure gauge or a wave resulting when a fluid in motion is forced to stop or change the velocity. The water hammer commonly occur when a wave flows suddenly at an end of the pipeline system and a pressure wave propagates in the pipe. It is called a hydraulic shock. The reason for the water hammer is impure operations of wave, power outage, sudden stoppage of pump, sudden close of a wave. When the valve is suddenly closed, then the water hammer will occur. The mechanism of this water hammer is, when we see this image of first one, when the water flow normally at time t is equal to 0 and velocity is equal to 0, when the time is varying from 0 to half of the final half of the final time, then v is equal to 0 and v is equal to v naught and v is equal to 0. When time t is equal to t by 2, and when we stop the flow of the hammer, it gets stuck at the water up and fixed it on the at a reservoir. Unbalanced conditions due to negative pressure in the pipe flow towards pipe and start AL by 4L by A. Sudden closage of the valve. Fluid lamina near to the valve compressed. This compression reaches upstream end at the upstream of the pipe. At the reservoir, unbalanced conditions at the reservoir pressure flow from pipe to reservoir start as the wave move downstream. Reservoir pressure unchanged. At low pressure move upstream as wave make the velocity of flow 0 again, but the fluid in the pipe will be expanded. Water hammer equation. The water hammer equation is delta P is equal to rho Cp delta V. This is also called as the Joukowski equation in 1898, where delta P is the change in pressure, rho is the density, Cp is the velocity of wave, delta V is change in velocity. This equation can be used only for rapid closures. This equation is used when we use sudden close of the valve. Water hammer equation for all conditions. Equation of motion. When the water is in motion, the water hammer equation is delta V by delta T plus G into delta H by delta X plus F of U of Fv of V by 2D is equal to 0. Equation of continuity. When the water flow continuously, the equation is delta H by delta T plus a square by G delta V by delta X is equal to 0. These two conditions are solved using method of characteristics. For example, let's take a problem. Consider a 50 mm dia pipeline, length is equal to 5000 meters, Cp is equal to 1000 meter per second and V is equal to 2 meter per second. A gate valve is closed in 5 seconds. Calculate the pressure, calculate the force extracted on the gate. Tr is equal to 2L by Cp. From this formula, we get 16 seconds, which is less than 5 seconds. Joukowski equation may be applied. Delta P is equal to rho Cp delta V. Delta P is equal to 20 into 10 power of 5 Newton per meter square. Area is equal to 169 meter square, that is equal to 2.0 meter square. Force is equal to A into P is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 into 0.2, that is equal to 4000 newtons. The force is equal to 400 kilonewtons. Applications. Hydraulic ram works with the principle of water hammer. In US Navy is conducting field trials for main clearing using water hammer. leaks can sometimes be detected using water hammer. These are the applications of the water hammer. In US Army, they conducted trials on mine clearing of the mines by using the water hammer. Effect of water hammer: damage to pieces, fittings, and valves or any connected equipment, causing leaks and shortening the life of the system. Bursting of pipe can occur if the pressure in is high enough. Water hammer can have disadvantaging effect on pump system. Like we said, water hammer comes very high with very high energy, so by that energy the water flow very fastly. By this way, the damage of pipes, fitting, and valves can occur. Like these images we can see the damage occurred in the valves and pipe system. Example of pipe damage by the water hammer. Devices for protecting the water hammer damage: the soft starter, which is used for soft starter of the water flow. When the water is flowing, the water hammer will reduces by these devices. And slow closer valves, these are the valves which can close the water very slowly and prevent the water hammer. Variable frequency devices: water hammer arrestor, starter tanks, pressure relievers valves. Conclusion: the water hammer can cause several problems in the system of not designing properly. So at the time of designing of the system, potential water hammer problems can be considered for through analysis, and proper methods or devices are to be used to assure the proper functioning of the system and to lessen the effect of the water hammer. Water hammer is useful in certain cases as hydraulic ram, mine clearing, etc. Thank you. This is about my concept video of water hammer.